In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Miro Mind Map Advanced Tutorial. We'll start right from a blank canvas and finish with a clean, shareable map you can turn into action. Open Miro and create a new board. That gives us the space we need to build. Now add the Mind Map tool. The fastest route is through templates. Open the Templates panel, search for Mind Map, and choose Use Template. Miro drops a ready-made structure onto your board so you can begin immediately. Prefer a manual start? Press the slash key on your keyboard, type mind map, and select it. Either way, you'll see a central node ready to edit. Type your main topic in the center. Keep it short and specific so everything branches logically. Examples that work well are client workflow, content strategy, or YouTube growth. Next, create your main branches. Press tab to add a branch from the center and name each one. If your topic is content strategy, you might add content ideas, platforms, posting schedule, and tools. Keep labels brief. You can always expand later. To add more detail, press tab again on any branch to create sub-branches. Under content ideas, for instance, you could add tutorials, reels, and testimonials. This hierarchy makes it easy to scan and spot gaps. Take a moment to organize and rearrange. Drag nodes to adjust the layout, group similar ideas together, and make sure lines aren't crossing all over the place. Use generous spacing so the structure reads clearly at a glance. Customize the design to improve clarity, color code categories so each branch family stands out. Add simple icons or emojis where helpful, and adjust text sizes to emphasize the most important nodes. Visual cues help teammates orient quickly. If you're ready to execute, convert the map into an action plan, turn branches into concrete tasks like create 5 reels, schedule posts, or client follow-up. Clear, measurable phrasing keeps momentum high. For an optional boost, try Miro AI. Ask it to expand this mind map, add more content ideas, or turn this into a workflow. Use these suggestions as a springboard and refine them to fit your goals. When you're done, click share and send your mind map to clients, your team, or even yourself for planning. As your project grows, keep refining the branches, collapsing less urgent paths and expanding the ones that matter most. The goal is clarity, not clutter, so let the map evolve alongside your work. Your ideas are now structured, visual, and ready to move forward.